Welcome to another beautiful episode of Wonder Cooking Show. Sorry for the delay, it's been so many days that we met. This is a new location for the new video. Today we are gonna cook keema balls in this beautiful location. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Keema balls will need mutton of this kind. Basically it's chop bones mutton. We will call it as Sine ki ghosh in Hindi. So this is how it should be. It should be a combination of meat and fat of the lamb that would give a perfect tenderness to the recipe. So this is how you need to have it. It's a minced mutton. So we'll see now what all the ingredients goes in it, and then we can start preparing the recipe. Start crushing the meat. We would be adding ginger and garlic to it and spices, as you can see, shahi jeera, some cinnamon and cardamom, and some cloves. So these are the ingredients. We'll start pounding it now. These half grounded masalas, we are going to add it to the minced meat now and mix them thoroughly. Once we added the masalas, then we can start pounding the meat. As you can see, we mixed the meat thoroughly. Now we can start pounding the meat in the crusher. See how tenderly we minced it and we crushed it. As you can see, it's like almost creamy now. At this stage we would be adding coriander to it, and now mix it thoroughly before preparing balls, keema balls. So now we are preparing keema balls. Make it like balls. We need to slow cook these keema balls. That is when it will come so tender and juicy. If you put it on high flame, those keema balls will be burnt. See, it is 80% cooked now, so make it completely cooked. I am putting it on coals. That will allow the recipe to cook in a slow pace and it will be so juicy and tender. So I am keeping it on coals for 15 more minutes, then it would be done. Natural leaves usually used for eating food, so I am using this to close the recipe. It will allow the steam to keep it there in the bowl and then it will be cooked completely and perfect. It's 15 minutes down. Now let's check how the mutton balls are made. It's completely cooked. As you can see, these are our final output of keema balls. So let's know the taste, how it is. See how tenderly it is cooked. As you can see, wow, it smells so nice. So let's know the taste. We'll have it. Wow, guys, these keema balls are so tender and so yummy. You can try it in home. Try our keema balls and please let us know in the comment section how they actually came out. So this is it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you like our videos, please consider subscribing to Wanda Cooking Show. Please share our videos with your friends and family. That would encourage us to go to new locations and shoot new recipe videos. Thank you for watching this video. We'll join you in another video in another beautiful location. There are so many places within 100 kilometers radius from Hyderabad which we can easily access in a weekend. We can go for a day trip and come back by the evening. I would be showing those sort of places more often these times. Post this COVID situation, I might get a chance to go to the locations. So if somebody wants to come here, it is about 75 to 80 kilometers from Hyderabad. It is nearby Sadashivpet. I'll give you a link in the comment section. If somebody wants to come here and enjoy your weekend, you can access through the link below in the comment section. Please visit the comment section for the more details. You can easily come and cook here and spend one whole day here. That won't be a problem at all. Thank you.